That man Woody wanted to become a Muslim. And we turned our back on him. One against our Lord, one against everything we fucking believe in for street politics. These folk came over here at the masjid, squashed their motherfucking beef, and the whole world mad. What kind of shit that is, John? They say Rollo hangs with Woody. Man, this brother ain't never been nowhere together in our whole entire life outside of this masjid over here, bro. This the type of shit that make me mad and make me go up on the fuck nigga. Cause I already be knowing these niggas don't fuck with me anyway. It's clear as day. We see that. So what y'all want me to save face for some niggas that obviously don't even fuck with me? And these niggas ain't did nothing to home. Ain't nobody did nothing. Everybody just talking to me around this bitch on four-wheelers. No helmet, balling. Man, y'all niggas got me fucked up. Don't play with me.